third day of the pre-trial conference. So I think what we can expect is both the defense and the prosecution naman po are trying to expedite. Ibig sabihin po nun, sinusubukan natin talagang matapos sa lamang madaling panahon itong pre-marking. At we're working on it together. So hopefully naman po, no, maganda yung takbo. Nagiging orderly naman na po ang takbo since last Thursday pa, nung first day ng pre-trial. So we're very hopeful na matapos natin to. But again, the dami ng dokumento, which is normal for a case such as this. In-expect natin baka hindi tayo matapos ngayong araw, baka umabot hanggang bukas or even Thursday, which is the original schedule naman po of the pre-trial conference. So, tingnan lang po natin, mamaya po, magbibigay pa kami ng karagdagang update sa inyo kung nasa na tayo sa market.
Attorney, may sinabi po kasi si Congresswoman Luistro na may proposals para sa same document, yung documents ng prosecution which the defense is adopting, so common markings, but you refuse daw po.
Yes, because ang documents naman po nila ay sa kanila at ang documents namin ay sa amin. So sa amin, because we're just being very careful then with the way we do things. This is really the way we do things naman. We want our own documents to be marked kahit na similar yung documents. Ito rin po kasi yung mga dokumento na gagamitin natin during the course of the trial. So yun naman po ay napag-usapan na naintindihan naman ng bawat party kung ano yun. It's for the orderly conduct of the trial po. Ito pong marking kasi ng mga pieces of documentary evidence. Ito po ay for identification purposes. Meaning, ibig sabihin po nun, minamarkahan natin siya para pagdating ng trial, ang mangyari na lang po ay we will refer to these documents as Exhibit 1, Exhibit 2, para naman po, kaya siya crucial kasi para maging smooth yung ating trial. Ginagawa ito hindi lang naman po dito sa impeachment court, pati na rin po sa regular courts. Ginagawa po talaga. Kaya sanay naman po yung mga abogado natin sa mga trial.
At yung follow-up lang ni hostile witnesses, parang nasa strategy po ba yun ng defense?
Sir, whatever legal strategy it is, I'm sure you can understand that we will not disclose our legal strategy. But again, it is a prerogative of either the defense or the prosecution to choose the witnesses and the pieces of documents that they will, or pieces of evidence that they will be presenting. So really, I don't see the issue in that. But again, if they are willing to file the manifestation, tayo po respeto po natin sila. But we will also respond accordingly, because we keep on harping on this issue when in fact, sabay naman pong nagbigay ng pre-trial brief, and it is well within the prerogative of each party to identify and present the witnesses that they would like to present. I think that's
Compel the defense to specify bakit nyo po nilista rin yung mga witnesses ng prosecution?
Unang-una sa lahat, wala po sa tingin ko po, sa aming pananaw, hindi naman po tama yung terminology na mirroring or adopting because, as you know, and you were here that day, halos sabay po kaming nag-submit ng pre-trial brief. Nasa bawat panig naman po yun, sinong witnesses at anong mga dokumento ang iprepresenta. Ngayon, pagdating doon, if they file such a request, motion, manifestation, the defense is ready to respond accordingly.